Imagine living in a place that everything is just a stone's throw away. Your home, school, church, hospital, and many more. Let's explore the development updates of the biggest Ayala Land estate. Welcome to the 15-minute city of the Philippines, Nuvali, the Rising South. Hello guys, this is me again, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the branch managers of Ayala Land. We launched the battle cry of Ayala Land, which is the Rising South. It is actually an integration between the four major estates of Ayala Land, which are the Nuvali, the leader amongst them. The second one is the Broadfield, third one is the Southmont, and the last one is the Era. It is a total of 4,500 hectares of development na ang goal ni Ayala Land is to surpass what we have created or what we have done in the previous developments of Ayala Land in Metro Manila, which are the BGC and Makati. That imagine, no, we are recreating these developments, no, na sobrang ganda kasi this time, itinatama na po natin lahat ng pagkakamali sa mga unang developments po natin. And for us to explore more the beauty of Nuvali, let's have a quick drive tour para mapakita ko lang po sa inyo, no, yung development updates as of June 2025. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ngayon naman po, no, mag-start tayo dito sa South Forbes area, one of the high-end places dito sa part ng Laguna. So it is developed by Cathay Land, and dito po nakatira yung mga, if familiar kayo, kay Pangilinan and Cuneta family po. And sa part po na to, magkakaroon ng future access going to Broadfield. Broadfield is one of the major estates of Ayala Land, and it's part of the Rising South, yung four major estates. So in the future, connected lang talaga sila lahat. Sa mga previous videos ko, no, pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung construction updates of the Nuvali flyover. But this time, no, pupuntahan na po natin. Talagang madadaanan na po natin yung update ng Nuvali flyover. So ito po tayo ngayon. So it connects this area going to Nuvali na hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa intersection. Of course, na save tayo ng time when it comes to traffic. So sobrang daming access going to Nuvali. Before heading to Nuvali, no, on our left side is the Vista area. Ito yung development naman po ni Villar. So aside from Ayala Land, we have Villar City in the area, Greenfield, Ayala Land, SM, Cathay Land. Imagine, these big developers are nagdikit-dikit sa isang area because they know that there is something na mangyayari dito sa part ng South. So we are now heading the Nuvali North. So usually, no, pag sinabing Nuvali, the first things that come to our mind, yung mga man-made koi fish, Soledad malls, but Nuvali is even bigger than that. Those are just tip of the iceberg, no. Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala Land in the Philippines, composed of 2,500 hectares. Since sobrang laking ano, it's like twice the size of Makati or 10 times the size of PGC. It transcends 3 key cities of Laguna, which are Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao, and hinati siya into 4 segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Currently po, ang dinadaanan natin is the Nuvali Boulevard, no. Ang promise ni Ayala Land is that this major spine road of Nuvali will become 6 lanes from the Nuvali North connected to Nuvali Central going to Nuvali South. So imagine, even the road networks inaayos natin na talagang sobrang accessible kapag nakatira ka inside Nuvali. So this area is the Soledad area. We have the Soledad 1, kung saan known si Nuvali yung may mga koi fish. We have Soledad 2 and Soledad 3, and good news po, ongoing na po ang construction ng Soledad 4, which is considered to be the next green belt of the South. This Soledad 4 has an area of approximately 150,000 of square meters of gross leasable area. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki pa ito sa Glorieta in Makati, knowing that Glorieta Makati is only 130,000 square meters. So imagine, no, habang ginagawa sa SM Yulo Premier, meron tayong existing Soledad 4, may mga existing na malls, may Vista Mall in the future, at dami nating options pag dito ka na nakatira in the Nuvali area. In the Nuvali North din po, ginagawa din ang Museum for Architecture and Residences. And another good news po, nag-top off na po tayo sa ating development. Bakit po ba may ganitong klase kagad ng development, no? So dito po, it is designed by a Japanese architect which is Su Fujimoto, na it is envisioned to become a vertical forest which will carry 200 trees. It's a mixed-use development na sa baba niya may mga exhibits, art gallery, museum, and sa taas niya may mga luxury condos na ini-imagine natin ito yung mga klase ng mga designs ng mga buildings sa Dubai. Now of course, since nagsimula siya, yung mga next buildings na may ipapatayo, kailangan higitan yung ganda ng Museum for Architecture and Residences. One of my most favorite spots in Nuvali is the CBD of Nuvali, which are the East Block, which is 11.7 hectares in size. Pangalawa po, yung Lakeside Evo Zone. And pangatlo naman, yung North Central Business District. Na imagine, these three CBDs of Nuvali, pag pinagsama-sama nyo, sinlaki po ito ng buong BGC. Na in the future, ang goal kasi ni Ayala Land is to decongest Metro Manila, na yung part ng southern people from the Bicol, Quezon Province, Laguna, Batangas, Cavite, dito na po tayo mag-work. We have our own BGC in the south. And para maipakita naman po sa inyo, no, yung exciting development kay SM Yulo Premier, ngayon may bago na siyang pangalan, no, puntahan po natin para mas makita niyo po yung development niya. This is the construction update of SM Yulo Premier, which is now named officially as SM Neo Verde. What sets apart from this mall is that it has a 1 hectare air-conditioned indoor garden. Nakagadahan dito, no, para siyang resemblance ng airport sa Singapore, yung Changi Airport. Now of course, this mall has a 5 floors. Tapos kakagandahan dito, meron siyang corporate tower na magkakaroon ng mga BPO companies na in the future, kung meron kang rental properties dito sa area, talagang mag-boom ang rental properties natin dito. About sa update naman ng road dito, no, as per my reputable source in Nuvali, magkakaroon po ng replanning ng road para siyang yung style ng road sa SM MOA, sa Mall of Asia, na mayroong rotonda sa gitna na malaki. Now with that kasi, mas maayos and mas ma-organize natin yung flow ng traffic, especially pag operational na po dito si SM Neo Verde. Since Nuvali, no, sobrang laking development niya, kung makikita niyo po sa gilid, mayroong mga provision for another road expansions. And mamaya kay Nuvali Central, may mga ongoing na po tayong road expansions or road widening. Later may ipapakita po natin sa inyo. Kumbaga in Nuvali, everything is well planned. Even the walk paths inaayos. That's why Nuvali is considered to be the 15-minute city of the Philippines. Ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? Everything is within reach within 15 minutes. Via walking, jogging, biking, driving. Pag nasa bahay ka, as someone na nakatira in Nuvali, no, gusto kong mag-mall, 12 minutes lang. Gusto ko manood ng sine, 10 minutes lang. Gusto kong pumunta sa school, 10 minutes lang. Everything is just a stone's throw away. Kaya kapag gusto ko pumunta sa isang place, very convenient lang pag nakatira ka na inside the estate. As you can see po, sa ating rotonda, sa bandang left side natin, nagkakaroon ng landscape. Kumbaga, inaayos nila ito para of course, pag papunta ka sa Nuvali South, mas nasa-set yung mood natin na sobrang ganda ng landscaping and greeneries na madadaanan po natin. So, first exit po natin papuntang Tagaytay Highlands yon, which is yung Casilla Road. And yung pangalawang exit naman po natin, papunta naman po itong Nuvali South. And per my reputable source in Nuvali, no, magkakaroon daw po ng additional road dito inside Nuvali. Na sa ngayon, ang access pa lang natin yung rotonda pa lang po. But in the future, there will be an access going to Evo Living Parkway, kung di po ako nagkakamali, another road going to Nuvali Central. And of course, bali-balita daw na magkakaroon daw na parang mini flyover inside Nuvali for us to manage the traffic in the future. So if there is an update, no, an official update from Ayala Land, kayo po yung una makakaalam nito. Pag lumagpas po tayo ng guardhouse, no? Ito na po yung Nuvali Central. So nasa ikalawang segment na po tayo ng Nuvali. As you can see, dito po, sobrang daming puno. Nasa Nuvali Boulevard pa rin tayo. On our right side is the Central Block. Central Block is a commercial area in Nuvali. Na ang purpose po nito, no, ito yung parang Molito or Alabang Town Center natin. It's approximately 12 hectares in size. Na ang una pong ginagawa is yung Mary Mart. So, ang target completion niya po this year din. And the shops po, siya yung restaurants natin. And dito po may mga commercial lots na magkakaroon ng mga banks, dental clinics, salons, spa, everything is within reach na, everything is inside na pag nakatira ka na dito kay Nuvali Central. After Central Block, no, pag kumanan po tayo, ito naman po yung way natin going to Solara Park Stories Nuvali. And for my buyers, no, who invested kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali, good news po, dahil sa Solara, nag-top off na po tayo last April. Imagine, no, ang target completion natin sa top off ng Tower 1 is this coming July or August. But since our project is 100% budgeted, that we don't rely on the collection of monthly amortization para matapos po yung project natin, dahil malalim na po ang bulsa ni Ayala Land po, tinapos po natin siya ng mas maaga. And this coming July or August, we will be launching our Tower 2 na mas mataas na po ang price. So sa mga nanonood dyan na gustong makakuha ng piece of Nuvali, especially kay Tower 1 ng Solara Park Stories Nuvali, just send me a message. Ito naman po, on our right side, no, is the Xavier School, one of the high-end international preparatory school inside Nuvali. And after po niyan, meron tayong mga police substations na nakascatter siya around the Nuvali estate. Kaya sobrang safe po talaga dito. So dito po, nakikita nyo din, nagkakaroon ng road widening and nagpe-prepare talaga ng mga walk paths. It's part of the system ng 15-minute city. Kasi yun nga, ang gagawin ni Nuvali from the Nuvali South, Nuvali Central, Nuvali North, connected na siya to each other. This is the construction update of Solara Park Stories Nuvali. As you can see, top off na po yung Tower 1 po natin and mag-launch tayo ng Tower 2 this coming July or August. Sa mga nakakapanood po ngayon na gustong humabol ng piece of Solara Park Stories Nuvali, mag-send po kayo sa akin ng message dahil of course, meron tayong magandang promo na i-offer sa inyo. And magkakaroon po tayo ng early move-in promo na ika-32nd month ng move-in, pwede po kayo makalipat kahit hindi pa po tayo bayad. And part of the road network ni Ayala Land, no, dito po magkakaroon tayo ng access going straight to SM Neo Verde, which connects din po, no, sa magiging CBD of Nuvali. That in the future, pag may property ka kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali, sobrang convenient po siya sa mga tenants natin. Going to the school of SM Neo Verde because of the NU and the workers of the CBDs of Nuvali. And kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali po, meron tayong promo ngayon which is yung EMI or Early Move-In promo na we have the chance na makapag-move in ika-32nd month ng bayad po natin. And for us to discuss more about it po, mag-send lang po kayo ng message po sa akin. Imagine pag nakatira ka inside Nuvali, ito yung araw-araw mong view. Sobrang ganda kasi trees are hugging to each other. Tapos imagine 10 years from now, 15 years from now, it's like nag-drive ka in the middle of the McKinley Boulevard sa Forge Park, Ayala, Alabang, na talagang halos wala ka, hindi na masisikatan ng araw itong Nuvali Boulevard. Ganun siya kaganda. And of course, by that time, iba na rin ang presyo, because land is finite, nauubos po ang lupa, kaya habang may mga pre-selling properties po tayo, maganda makakuha na po kayo dito. On our left side naman po, is the Rockwell before tayo pumunta going to Nuvali South. So, it's approximately 70 hectares in size na just last December, they launched their house and lot package na nasa 50 million po. Na doon po, magkakaroon sila ng power plant mall na of course, magiging beneficial ito sa mga Nuvali residents kasi meron tayong malapit na high-end na mall. So as you can see, as we go inside, the elevation of the lands gets higher and higher because the entire Nuvali is rolling in terrain po, And now, we are in Nuvali South. Ito po, napansin ko lang, sa mga gilid po natin, may mga trees tayo na natumba during the Typhoon Karina. So ngayon po dito, nag-replanting ng mga trees na imagine, kahit nasira ang part na ito, talagang part of the sustainability, inaayos talaga siya ni Ayala Land. Hindi talaga siya iniiwanan, na talagang in the long run, alam natin na maayos po yung property management na buong estate natin. And ito naman po sa ating T Road is the 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall. Ito yung parang medyo matagal pa nagagawin sa part ng Nuvali. But alam mo kasi na in the future, pag nangako si Ayala Land, na pag may promise siya sa New Valley, alam natin na ginagawa niya talaga. It's like, no, usually sa atin, sa ating mga Pilipino, to see is to believe. Pero when you invest in the property, to believe is to see. Like for example, the investors who invested in BGC and in Makati, ngayon nag-reap na sila ng kanilang investment nila kasi that time maniwala sila na ang BGC will become BGC and Makati will become Makati. On our right side naman po is the Everest International School. Sobrang ganda kasi it's a preparatory school. Kung gusto nyo pag-aralin yung anak nyo po in the US in the future, at least po nakaprepare na sila for the curriculum ng US. And of course, no, aside from the Everest Academy, sa part naman po ng Central Block kanina, nandun naman po yung Xavier School, which is walking distance from Solara Park, Stories, New Valley. And also in the New Valley South din, existing na po dito yung Miriam College po. So ito po ang kagandahan sa school na to, no? Meron siyang elementary building, may high school building, na pagkatapos po yung buong school, magkakaroon pa to ng college building na mas malaki pa daw po sa Metro Manila. Dito naman po tayo, no, sa site ng Corsella New Valley. As you can see, ongoing na po yung construction ng road natin sa gitna. So ito po, magkakaroon siya ng 4 lanes na road na in the future pa siyang New Valley Boulevard na maglalagay ng mga trees para magbigay siya ng shade sa atin in the future. And dito po, these are Alveo properties, and sa tapat nun, sa after po nung mga poste na yon, doon po located si Corsella New Valley. Papakita po namin yung drone shots namin, no, kung gaano po kaganda yung location po ng subdivision natin. So kagandahan po sa Corsella New Valley, nag-launch po tayo ng panibagong mga lots. So these are amenity lots na sobrang lapit sa entrance and amenities na of course, no, kung naghahanap ka ng convenience and sobrang perfect for retirement home na lot, ito yung perfect lot na para sa atin. With Corsella New Valley, no, you have the prime view of Makati skyline on a clear and fine sky. You also have the view of Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Mountains, and even some of the subdivisions of New Valley dahil sobrang taas po ng elevation po natin. Mag-left turn naman po tayo, no, nandun po yung 31 hectares na play park. Imagine, we can create 1 or 2 big subdivisions with this big size of land. Pero ginawa lang po namin siyang recreational area of New Valley. Ano po ba yung meron laman sa 31 hectares sa play park, no? So we have the 16 hectares na bike trail, since roading po yung terrain dito, no? We have the 2 hectares na dog park kung mahilig kayo sa mga pets. We also have the green corridor and garden center para po siyang resemblance ng botanical garden sa Baguio since maraming greeneries in New Valley, ano? And also we have the golf driving range. It used to be a wake park, yung water sports po, no, dito sa New Valley, but since the pandemic na dumating po, sinarado po siya. Ngayon po ginawa na po siyang golf driving range para mas maging beneficial po sa mga residents po natin. Everything is balanced inside, no. Paglabas niyo po ng bahay niyo, nandiyan na po yung schools, yung restaurants, yung activity area, yung mall. Napakadaming mapupuntahan. Kumbaga, it's like you're living in an independent city. I hope nagustuhan niyo po ang ating drive tour, no? And for me to show you the updates of the entire New Valley, I'll show you some drone shots from New Valley para makita po natin ang update as of this month. For those who are looking for property investments here in New Valley, whether it be a house and lot only, especially na may bagong sector kami kay Corsella, and condo before matubos ang Tower 1 ng Solara Park Stories New Valley, just send a message to my number, that is +63961 462 2138. That is my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. You can also send me a message through my Facebook page, that is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in New Valley.